Stop scrolling. This is one of the best travel credit card offers I've seen in a while. The Chase Sapphire Preferred just jumped to 75,000 points. Hi, I'm Melissa. Welcome back to our channel. I had no plans on coming on here and doing a video, as is evidenced by my hair and the lack of makeup, but I had to come on. This is our Chase Sapphire Preferred card. It's our favorite travel card. It was our first travel card, and I think it should be yours too, and here is why. Right now, it's on an elevated sign-up bonus, which is 75,000 points when you meet the minimum spend. Normally, it's 60,000. Do you know what you can get for 75,000 points? You can get a business class ticket from the United States to Europe. You can get 4 nights in an all-inclusive resort for 2 people. I love this card. Travel protections. This card, one of the major benefits of this card is it provides travel trip cancellation insurance. What does that mean? That means if you purchase a non-refundable plane ticket, but your reason for canceling falls within the caveats of the contract. Sometimes it's natural disaster, sometimes it's a political conflict. In my case, it was a surgery and my surgeon said I couldn't travel. So I had to cancel a flight, and it was a non-refundable flight in Europe. They would not refund it. However, because it was medically related, according to the contract and the fine print, they should have refunded it, but they didn't. So I reached out to them, asked them to refund the money or credit. I would take credit if that was offered. They said I needed to provide a medical letter from my surgeon indicating why I couldn't travel and the specific dates. And my doctor did provide that information, and I did provide that information to the airline in Europe, and they still would not refund my money. So I went on the app, I filled out the necessary paperwork to show that I had done my due diligence, and I reached out to them, provided all the documentation they asked for, and they still didn't refund my money. I got a check from Chase, the entire amount of the plane ticket, within 48 hours. That was the first time I had ever had to use the travel insurance, but I am so glad I did so I could share it with you. Chase stands behind their credit cards. Chase Sapphire Preferred card. It's a $95 annual fee card. $50 of that you'll get back in a hotel annual credit as long as you book the hotel through the Chase travel portal. That's $45 a month for a card that will give you 75,000 points. That will give you 3x on dining and 3x on online grocery shopping. Highly recommend this card. The way we use this card is we pay for our online grocery order. What that looks like is I order our groceries online and we do the drive-through. We have Harris Teeter or Kroger. You just order online, go through the pickup, they put them in your car, and you get 3x on what you spend on there. You also get 3x on dining. So if you spend $50 on a meal, you'll get 150 points, and that adds up pretty quick. You also get 5x on travel. You also get a $50 annual hotel credit. You book the hotel through the Chase travel portal, and you will see within 2 days $50 credit put back on your account. Highly recommend this card. Normally you get 60,000 points, and that's great, but now it's 75,000 points for the same amount of spend. 75,000 points, and here's what you have to do. You have to spend $5,000 in 90 days. How do you spend $5,000 in 90 days? Well, we just came out of tax season, so that's probably not where you would spend it. But you could spend it on your electric bills, your car insurance, your home insurance, your groceries, your gas, restaurant, water, cell phone, any of your normal monthly bills. Use this card to pay for it, and you will add up $5,000 in 90 days most of the time. You can buy gift cards. Go ahead and do your Christmas shopping. There's creative ways to spend. You could book hotels and pay for this with this card. Any kind of travel you have coming up, use this card. Any kind of spending, use this card. If you need to buy a piece of furniture, use this card. Only use this card for things that you were planning on buying anyway. Don't use this card just for random things to add up to 5,000. Then you lose the whole benefit of points and miles. Points and miles spending isn't to put you in the poorhouse. It's actually to leverage your everyday spending for points and miles that can get you some great travel adventures. So, highly recommend this card. It has an elevated sign-up bonus of 75,000 points. I will put the link down in the description below. We would sincerely appreciate it so much if you would use our link to go to this card and apply. The reason for that is we do get credit. We'll get some points back once you are approved for this card. And then we can use those points for our further travel to make more videos. So you help us. We provide content for you. It's really great. If you have any questions, let me know. I've had this card for over 5 years. We have over 25 travel cards right now. This was our first card. We still have it. We still love it. We still use it every single week. Chase Sapphire Preferred. Highly recommend this card. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.